How can a simple flashlight reveal the invisible structure of a liquid? It's called the Tyndall effect, and we need it because many suspended mixtures look perfectly clear, just like true solutions. Take two seemingly identical glasses. One is water mixed with table salt, the other is water with gelatin. Shine a light through both. It passes invisibly through the salt water, but glows brightly through the gelatin. Let's look at the microscopic level inside both liquids. Both contain particles distributed in water. So if both are perfectly mixed, why does only one catch the light? In the glowing glass, the particles remain large enough to act like tiny mirrors, physically blocking and scattering the light in all directions. That dissolved substance is called a solute. But when a true aqueous solution forms, like our salt water, those particles become fundamentally too small to reflect light. The beam passes straight through without hitting a single thing to scatter off of. So the next time a beam of light vanishes inside a liquid, you're watching the ultimate microscopic proof. It physically confirms that the salt water is a true aqueous solution, while exposing the gelatin mixture as an imposter.